Introduction. Welcome to Bike Informers, the channel dedicated to exploring the world's most exciting motorcycles, innovations, and groundbreaking two-wheeled engineering. In today's feature, we dive into one of the most legendary names in motorcycle racing and performance history, now reborn for a new era, the 2026 Honda NSR500 V3. This motorcycle is more than just a new release. It is a revival of Honda's racing heritage, blending classic two-stroke racing DNA with modern-day engineering, electrification, and aerodynamic wizardry. The NSR500 V3 is a tribute to the legendary NSR line, once dominant in Grand Prix racing, but it has been reimagined for the 21st century with advanced materials, futuristic electronics, and a bold design philosophy. The legacy of the NSR series. To understand the importance of the NSR500 V3, we must first revisit the legacy of the NSR series. Back in the 1980s and 1990s, Honda's NSR500 dominated the 500 cubic centimeters Grand Prix motorcycle racing world. Piloted by legends like Mick Doohan and Wayne Gardner, the NSR500's two-stroke V4 engine was an unstoppable force, producing over 180 horsepower and a lightweight chassis, making it one of the most thrilling and dangerous bikes in racing history. The NSR500 wasn't just a machine, it was a symbol of Honda's racing supremacy. It carried an aura of raw power, aggressive handling, and technical mastery. However, with the phasing out of two-stroke engines in top-level racing, the NSR name faded into history. The NSR500 V3 of 2026 marks Honda's daring attempt to rekindle that spirit. This time not for the racetrack alone, but also for a new generation of enthusiasts who demand both performance and innovation. Design philosophy, a fusion of heritage and futurism. The first thing that strikes anyone seeing the 2026 Honda NSR500 V3 is its stunning design. Honda has carefully balanced nostalgia with innovation. The silhouette pays homage to the original NSR500 race machines, with sharp fairings, aerodynamic bodywork, and aggressive lines. Yet, every surface has been sculpted with modern aerodynamics in mind. The bike features integrated winglets, inspired by MotoGP, to provide stability at high speeds. Carbon fiber elements reduce weight, while giving the bike a futuristic edge. The front fascia is dominated by slim LED headlamps embedded seamlessly into the fairing, evoking the racing number plates of the past. Honda's designers have also ensured that the NSR500 V3 feels like a collector's masterpiece, with special color schemes such as the classic Repsol racing livery and a minimalist stealth black edition for purists. Engine and performance, a modern powerhouse. At the heart of the NSR500 V3 lies its most revolutionary feature, a 500 cubic centimeters V3 hybrid power unit. Honda has achieved the impossible, bringing back the character of a two-stroke machine, while making it compliant with modern emission standards. The engine uses a three-cylinder two-stroke hybrid design, combining direct injection technology with an electric assist motor. The result is a thrilling, raspy exhaust note reminiscent of classic NSR racers, paired with instant torque from the electric system. Engine configuration: 500 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V3 two-stroke with direct fuel injection. Hybrid system: integrated electric motor with torque-filled technology. Power output: estimated 220 horsepower combined. Top speed: over 320 kilometers per hour, 199 miles per hour. Acceleration: 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 2.7 seconds. This makes the NSR500 V3 not only one of the most powerful sport bikes ever produced but also one of the most innovative, bridging the gap between the golden age of two-strokes and the electric future of motorcycles. Chassis and handling, track precision on the road. The NSR500 V3's chassis has been designed using aerospace-grade aluminum and carbon composites. The frame is ultra-lightweight yet extremely rigid, ensuring that the immense power can be handled with precision. A single-sided swing arm, a nod to MotoGP engineering, allows quick rear-wheel changes and enhances the visual appeal of the bike. The suspension system is fully adjustable with Öhlins electronic semi-active damping, adapting in real time to road or track conditions. Braking power comes from Brembo Stylema calipers paired with carbon ceramic rotors, ensuring unmatched stopping ability. Cornering ABS, traction control, and launch control systems give riders confidence to push the machine to its limits. Honda has engineered the NSR500 V3 to feel like a true racer's machine, but with the sophistication of modern electronics to make it accessible to a wider range of riders. Aerodynamics and wing technology. Aerodynamics play a vital role in modern high-performance motorcycles, and the NSR500 V3 is no exception. Inspired by Honda's MotoGP prototypes, the V3 comes with adjustable active winglets. These elements automatically deploy at different speeds to optimize downforce and reduce drag. The aerodynamic design not only improves stability at extreme speeds but also enhances cornering performance. The underbody has been sculpted to channel airflow smoothly, reducing lift and improving cooling for the hybrid powertrain. Electronics and rider interface. One of the most exciting aspects of the NSR500 V3 is its electronic suite. The motorcycle features a next-generation TFT display with full augmented reality integration, allowing riders to see telemetry, navigation, and racing data directly projected in a HUD-style format. Key electronic features include ride-by-wire throttle with multiple power modes, hybrid management system for balancing, exhaust and sound, the return of the roar. Perhaps the most emotional element of the NSR500 V3 is its sound. Honda engineers have designed a tuned two-stroke exhaust system combined with electronic amplification to deliver a soundtrack reminiscent of the original NSR500. This is more than just noise, it's an experience. Riders and spectators alike will hear the crackle, the scream, and the raw power that once defined two-stroke racing. The hybrid system allows for silent operation in city zones, but unleash the throttle, and the legendary roar returns. Comfort and practicality. While the NSR500 V3 is clearly a performance-first machine, Honda hasn't ignored rider comfort. The ergonomics are aggressive yet adjustable, with multiple seat height settings and clip-on handlebar adjustments. A limited touring pack includes a slightly relaxed riding posture, aerodynamic add-ons for highway comfort, and lightweight luggage mounts for those who dare to take the V3 on long rides. Despite its racing soul, Honda wants the NSR500 V3 to be a usable machine in the real world. Special editions and collectability. Honda has announced that the 2026 NSR500 V3 will be available in limited production runs. Alongside the standard models, there will be heritage editions paying tribute to iconic liveries of the past, such as the Repsol, Lucky Strike, and HRC factory schemes. Collectors will also have access to a track-only R edition, stripped of road-legal equipment, tuned to deliver maximum performance for circuit enthusiasts. This makes the NSR500 V3 not just a motorcycle, but also an investment piece for collectors and fans of racing heritage. Market position and pricing. The NSR500 V3 is not an ordinary sport bike. It is a halo machine, designed to showcase Honda's engineering dominance. Its pricing reflects this exclusivity. Early reports suggest a base price of $65,000 US, with special editions exceeding $85,000 US. While this places the bike in the hyperbike category alongside Ducati's Superleggera, Kawasaki's H2R, and Yamaha's limited-run track specials, the NSR500 V3 carries something those machines do not: the weight of Honda's greatest racing legacy. Conclusion: the rebirth of a legend. The 2026 Honda NSR500 V3 is more than a motorcycle. It is a bridge between eras, a rebirth of the two-stroke legend, reimagined for the demands of today. With its hybrid powertrain, cutting-edge electronics, and breathtaking design, it carries the DNA of the Grand Prix giants into the future. For enthusiasts, it is a dream realized. For Honda, it is proof that heritage can be reinvented, not just remembered. The NSR500 V3 is not just about speed, it is about emotion, nostalgia, and the thrill of riding something truly iconic.